Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2015 Kia Rio SR7. This car comes with a 1.3 petrol engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, returning up to 56 miles to the gallon. An insurance group of just 3, so ideal for new drivers. And this is a two-owner vehicle, having covered just over 22,000 miles and has been serviced 8 times during that period. This particular colour is the clear white and looks in good condition for age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you've got the nice clean interior there. There's an armrest and a cup holder there in this centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you've got your DAB radio there in this centre, with also a CD player. And then a few other features I can mention. You've got air conditioning, automatic headlights, and then on the driver's door card there, you have your electric mirror and 4 window controls. As we open the rear doors, you have a good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts. There's also some cup holders there in the rear doors as well, so nice and practical for the rear passengers. And as we open the tailgates on the Rio, you've got a really good sized boot there, nice and square and deep, with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, which is good to see these days, you've also got a space saver wheel. Externally, the car comes with the 15-inch alloy wheels and also rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.